I hope you all see my screen as well as my voice is audible to you. Please let in the chat box if you my voice is audible and my screen is visible to you. Okay, wait. In couple of minutes it will be start soon. In the previous section, if you any doubt, you can ask me, guys. Yeah, it's opening now. I will open that in live server, then I will show you how it's work and how we are doing for that. Let's see, I will open in that live server. Yesterday, we are applying in the particular box, it's the input box. We are applying a icon. In that icon, the icon will be in that first. Then whatever we are right inside the box, it will be after it start after that icon. So how we are managing all these things, so we are discussing today itself. And after that we are discussing what are the unit we have in that css. It's like absolute unit, and whatever other unit are there, we are discussing those. And we have other like option is border and margin, all these things we are discussing, and like text color, text related property. That's all these things we are discussing. Next we have to go forward, like what are the flex and what is the grid box and what is the flag, like media with all these things we are discussing later. Okay. Look that code, like css code, like in that box I will designing like margin right 20 pixel and position absolute and color black, all these things I will designing. And like text name, that inside that I will using padding left for like cursor will be moved to the left side of that 17 pixel. Okay, how it will be affected, I will show you. It's opening shortly. What happened? It's not opening. Yeah, it's opening now. Wait. Okay, so when I click inside the box, it will be started from that. After that, like icon. Okay, how we are doing that one. So at first we are applying the class name. It's txt name inside the input box. In the input box, we are giving like padding left at 17 pixel. And what is the box? Box is the like icon id inside that particular classes particular span we are giving like id inside its id box. In the box we are applying all these properties like margin right 20 pixel. Okay, it will be right margin right 20 pixel, and position will be absolute. And what are the color you want, you have to apply. If I require that color, then you have to use that. Okay, according to your requirement you have to apply. Okay, the cursor color also you can change by using like attribute like type text. In that you can give like background color, like whatever, like text color, whatever you want you have to write inside that. Okay, I hope you understand how we are doing that one. uh that, yeah. Banu, have you understand all these like things how we are doing all these things? And Vijay also, both are asking me how.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vijay, are you there? Vijay is not there. I think, yeah, not there. Okay, he has missed the class. Okay, not a very. So next we are discussing like what are the unit are there. Unit. Before that, I will open the paint. Then I will show you. Yeah, it's opening now. So next we are discussing like what is the CSS unit. So what is the unit? Unit define the size and position. Like every of that, like we are applying 10 pixel and 20 pixel, 10, 1 em, 2 em. What is that? It's a unit. Pixel is a unit and em is a unit. All these things is a unit. Okay. So you can configure size with the height and width by using like pixel also. Okay. So basically we have like two unit. It's absolute unit and relative unit. Okay. We have absolute unit of solute unit, and next one we have relative unit. Relative unit. Okay, so next one is that what is absolute unit, what is absolute unit, and what is the unit are there in the absolute unit, and what is the equivalent. We have to discuss all these things. Okay, so I will create a like table, then I will show you. Okay, so next one is like absolute unit. At first we are discussing absolute unit. Okay, so what is the unit and name of the unit we are discussing? Name, and it's equivalent to equivalent. Done. So first unit is CM. You know that CM like MM, all these things you know that. CM also we are applying in that like particular height and width and whatever you are writing inside that uh, CSS. Okay, and we are call it name is centimeter. Okay, you know that centimeter, centimeter. Okay, METERS. ERS. EPRES. Sorry. Okay, centimeter. And what is the equivalent of that? 1 pixel sorry, 1 cm equal 37 pixel. Okay. So next one we are discussing mm. What is mm? It's millimeter. Millimeter. Wait. Millimeter. METRES. Okay, millimeters. And what is the like equivalent to 1 mm equal 1 by 10th of 1 cm. Okay, so 1 mm equal to 1 by 10th of 1 cm. Next one we have like inch. In, it's inch. INCH. Yes, inches. Okay, so its equivalent is 1 inch equal 96 pixel. 96 pixel. Okay. Next, we have to discuss PC. What is the PC? It's Pika. Pikas. PICAS. Pikas. Okay. And what is the like equivalent to? It's like one PC is equivalent to one by sixth, 1/6 of 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. Next we have PT. PT stand for point. Okay, PT. It's point. Name of that, it's point. POINT, point. And what is the equivalent to? It's point 1 PT equal 1 by 72, 1 by 72 of 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. And pixel. Last one is pixel. What is a pixel? Its name is pixel. Wait, it's pixel. Okay. And 1 pixel equivalent to 1 by 96th of 96th of 1 inch. Okay, sorry, it's 1, not I. Okay, this is the absolute unit we are using in the our like CSS. Okay, next one we have relative unit. I hope you understand what is the like absolute unit and where we are using, and what is the equivalent to, and what is the name of that. Okay, basically we are using all pixel and like PC PT. Okay, inch also you can use, but basically we are not using that one. Okay, next one we are discussing like relative unit. So what is relative unit and what are the relative unit are there? Okay. So related unit are related to the content of the page. Whatever content you are writing inside the page, it is related to that particular content. Okay. The size of the any element can be determined based on the parent and child and adjustment. Whatever like content you are defining inside the parent, it depends upon the child, like how you are like what are the content size you are providing inside that. It will be depend on that. Okay, so I will show you some of the unit. Okay, wait. So I will show you like relative unit. Okay, and first one is EM. Okay, next one we have EX and CHREM. All these things are there. Okay, so basically EM we are using for that content purpose. Like I already show you in that previous like in HTML I use 1 EM, 2 EM, whatever. And EX also we are using for height of the font, width of the element, sorry, width of the content. Okay, and C has also we are using for like defining a width. Okay, and REM we are using for like EM is the smallest form of that REM. REM after that REM we are using EM. Okay, if you using like CMMM like that, CM is like EM, or like CM is the millimeter is that smallest unit of CM. So like EM is smallest unit of REM. REM is the smallest unit, and like greater than unit like the highest unit is EM. Okay, So we are using these are the relative unit. We have other like relative unit also. It is BW. BW means view width. Okay, and we have B main, B max, and we have BH. This is important. It's BW and BH. What is that? BW means view height. Means if you want to show a particular content, whatever like client will be shown that particular like the it's laptop or like any device, what are the device width, according to that it will be set. So if you give that view width is 100% or view width if you give 50%, so it will be change according to the size. Okay, and view height if you require like something view height, if you give that 100% according to the your like device height, it will change according to that. Okay, so a view height and width example, if you designing any particular registration form or like login form, then you can use like view width and view height according to the device, it will be changed according to that. Okay, so these are the unit in our css. Okay, I hope you understand this that how what are the css unit are there. Wait, some question are, yeah, no question. Okay, any question guys, you can ask me in that unit. Then we have to go like what is that border and margin, all these things. Before that we are learn that inheritance in css. Any doubt in that unit? No. Okay, other one I think not there in the meeting.
Excuse me, sir. So can you please repeat the second part?
It's relative unit, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so basically relative unit we are using for like content purpose, or like whatever content you are designing for website. Okay, जो भी आप कंटेंट डिजाइनिंग करते हैं इनसाइड लाइक वेब पेज, उसको डिजाइनिंग करने के लिए हम ईएम और ईएक्स यूज करते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि अगर आप ईएम और आरईएम का बात करें तो आरईएम छोटा यूनिट है और ईएम एक बड़ा यूनिट है. ओके, और व्यू विथ व्यू हाइट अगर देखें हम, तो अगर आप कोई डिवाइस यूज करते हैं, अगर आप एक वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, वो वेबसाइट आपको रेस्पॉन्सिव होना चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर आप मोबाइल डिवाइस में ओपन करते तो मोबाइल डिवाइस का अनुसार लाइक हाइट एंड विथ सेम रहना चाहिए. जैसे कि मोबाइल विथ जैसे होता है 516 पिक्सल, एंड जैसे कि हमारा लैपटॉप का विथ होता है 1024 पिक्सल. जो भी होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द विथ इट विल बी चेंज. ओके, तो ये होता है व्यू विथ. हाइट क्या होता है, अगर आप एक रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म बनाते और लॉगिन फॉर्म बनाते, अगर आप लैपटॉप में ओपन करें तो आप ऑलरेडी क्या रहे जो कि विथ हाइट दे दिए आप 200 पिक्सल, तो आपका लैपटॉप में वो फिक्स कर गया. बट आप जब भी मोबाइल यूज करते हैं तो उसका हाइट एंड विड्थ अलग है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द हाइट it not change. Okay, if you give like view width like height is like 100 view height, then it will be changed according to the size. Okay.
Sir, you were telling something like which is the smallest
Okay.
RH वो वाला part, sir.
हाँ हाँ, ये देखो यहाँ पे एब्सोल्यूट यूनिट में हमारा सी एम 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 है. ऑलरेडी आपको पता होगा कि हम पढ़े होंगे 1 to 10 में कि एम एम जो होता है मिलीमीटर स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट होता है एज कम्पेयर टू द सी एम. तो ये जो होता है ई एम और आर ई एम, अगर आप साइज जो है आप जैसे कि कंटेंट को देख के देख सकते हैं, जो कि 10 EM और लाइक 10 REM देखे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि इसका साइज कैसे आ रहा है. क्योंकि मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि एज कम्पेयर टू द ई एम साइज आरईएम छोटा होता है. ओके.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ओके, समझ में आया ना आपको?
Yes, sir. समझ गए. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच. एनी डाउट गाइस?
सर
या
सर सीएसएस के जो परसेंटेज यूनिट है उसमें डाउट है मुझे.
हाँ बताओ कौन सा.
सर मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं?
हाँ बताओ, स्क्रीन शेयर करो. मैं स्क्रीन ऑफ कर देता हूँ, वेट करो. या आप शेयर करो.
यस सर. सर माय डाउट इज दिस.
कौन सा?
स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है सर?
हाँ हो रही है, बताओ.
हाँ. जस्ट अ मिनट सर। सर यहाँ पर एक वो है, लाइक जब हम हाइट को पिक्सल में सेट कर रहे हैं तो ये कोड, मतलब ये ब्लॉक ऑफ कोड वर्क कर रहा है। लेकिन जब हम हाइट को परसेंटेज में सेट कर रहे हैं तो ये वर्क नहीं कर रहा है। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन ये है, बट मुझे समझ में नहीं आया।
क्यों नहीं वर्क कराई?
नहीं कर रहा सर।
ओके देखो
अगर
लाइक।
आप प्रैक्टिकल करना चाहें तो अभी आप कर लीजिए।
ओके, आपने प्रैक्टिकल किया है?
यस सर।
ओके। ओके, मैं देखता हूँ एक बार, वेट करो।
यस सर।
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर करो थोड़ा। आप बताएं फिर से,
यस सर,
कोडिंग
जस्ट
वाला
अ मिनट।
पार्ट।
सर मैं चैट बॉक्स में शेयर करूँ क्या?
नहीं नहीं, मुझे स्क्रीन चाहिए।
ओके।
बैकग्राउंड। वेट। आप स्क्रीन स्टॉप करो, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको। वर्किंग कर रहा है।
यस सर।
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है अभी?
यस सर।
हेलो। या, यहाँ पे देखो, मैंने डीप लिया है, इनसाइड प्रैक्टिकल दिया है एक, जैसे कि कंटेंट आईडी दिया है वर्किंग। ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने वर्किंग आईडी लेके यहाँ पे विड्थ और हाइट बैकग्राउंड कलर दिया है। ओके, तो मेरा जैसे कि हाइट थे 30% एंड विड्थ थे लाइक 80%। ओके, तो ये शो कर रहा है।
नहीं सर, ये है ना, उतना ही शो कर रहा है जितना कि लिखा हुआ है। मेरा डाउट ये है, लाइक अगर आपने 30% किया है ना, तो इसके पेरेंट का 30% इसे लेना चाहिए। बट ये 30% नहीं ले रहा है, ये सिर्फ सिंगल लाइन ले रहा है जितना कि उसके अंदर कंटेंट है।
ओके ओके, ये बोल रहे हो।
हाँ।
वेट। यहाँ वहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या लिखा हुआ है?
जस्ट अ मिनट सर, मैं शेयर करती हूँ।
हाँ, क्या लिखा हुआ है एक्सप्लेनेशन?
ये शो हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ, सो रहा, वेट करो। When you specify the height and width as a percentage, that is the percentage with respect to the element parent. In case the of width, all block element are unless specified otherwise, as width as the parent, all the way back to the HTML. So that width of the block is block element in the independent of this its content. It's 50% yard as well as defining the number of pixel. However, The height of the block is element depend on its content unless you specify the specific height. So there is a feedback between the parent and child where height is concerned. Saying height is 50% does not appear as a well-defined value unless you break that feedback loop by giving the parent element specific height. अ, आप बोल रहे हो कि जो कि पेरेंट का जो भी हाइट विड्थ है वो अप्लाई कर रहा है, राइट?
यस सर, डाउट वही है अभी भी कि ये वाली जो हाइट है ना, अगर हम परसेंटेज में विड्थ करते हैं तो विड्थ में अप्लाई हो रही है, लेकिन जब हाइट में करने जाते हैं तो हाइट में नहीं हो रही है। सो ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
ओके ओके, मैं बताऊंगा क्लास के बाद। ओके, ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं ये जो पेरेंट का साथ रिलेटेड होगा। ओके, क्योंकि जो भी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे जो लिखा हुआ है ये वो बोल रहा है कि जो भी पेरेंट के अंदर में हाइट दिया हुआ है वो पेरेंट के
हम्म,
हाइट को जैसे कि इनहेरिटेंस कर रहा है। इनहेरिटेंस मीन्स पता होगा, आप बायोलॉजी में पढ़े होंगे,
हाँ
जो कि
हाँ हाँ।
पेरेंट्स का जैसे कि कैरेक्टर रहता है वो इनहेरिटेंस होके चाइल्ड के अंदर आ
हम्म,
जाते हैं। ओके, तो ये भी वहाँ यही होता है, जैसे कि पेरेंट का जो भी विड्थ वगैरह हाइट वगैरह दिया होगा वो अगर इनहेरिटेंस करे होगे तो वहाँ पे ब्लॉक हो जाएगा। क्योंकि अगर देखो यहाँ पे हम अगर इनलाइन सीएसएस और जैसे कि आउटलाइन सीएसएस और इंटरनल सीएसएस यूज
एक्सटर्नल।
करते।
हाँ
हेलो, तो
हाँ हाँ,
वहाँ
ये
पे
हेलो सर।
या
सर मैं कह रही हूँ कि ये जो है आप सही कह रहे हैं, ये ना पेरेंट क्लास की प्रॉपर्टी को इनहेरिट नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि ऊपर डिवीजन टैग में लिखा हुआ है कि अगर हम इसमें परसेंटेज लगाएंगे तो ये नॉट वर्किंग करेगा, मतलब ये काम नहीं करेगा। अगर ये प्रोग्राम जो है वो पिक्सल पे ही करेगा।
ओके,
नहीं मैम,
वो
मेरा डाउट
रीजन
वही
पूछ
है।
रहे हैं।
हाँ, कि रीजन ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
कविता मैम, आपको पता है कि ये रीजन क्या है? अंतिमा मैम को बता दीजिए।
सर वही है, इनहेरिट नहीं कर रहा है पेरेंट क्लास की प्रॉपर्टी को। आप एक काम करना अंतिम, आप ना एक बार वो जावा की प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ लेना, फिर उससे आपको
कौन
आपका
सी?
जो डाउट है वो क्लियर हो जाएगा।
कौन सी मैम?
इनहेरिटेंस की प्रॉपर्टी।
मैम वो मुझे पता है, लेकिन अगर आप मुझे अभी एक एग्जांपल बता दें, लाइक सीएसएस में ऐसा करके कि
ओके ओके,
हाइट।
अंतिम कविता मैम, एक बार काम करो, क्लास के बाद डिस्कस कर लेते हो कि आपको
सर
ये
सर
चाहिए ना।
ओके सर।
सर।
क्योंकि अभी क्लास चल रहा है ना, क्लास का अगर
यस
डिस्कस करेंगे तो बहुत लंबा चला जाएगा, हमारा सिलेबस खत्म नहीं होगा। ओके, तो ये
सर।
हम बाद में डिस्कस। हाँ बताओ।
सर आप कल या आफ्टर क्लास मेरा ये डाउट क्लियर कर देना, लाइक ऐसी कौन सी कंडीशन होगी जब हाइट परसेंटेज में काम कर जाए?
ओके ओके, मैं आपको क्लास के बाद जैसे कि क्लास के बाद बता दूंगा। ओके,
ओके सर,
क्योंकि
थैंक यू।
अभी बताऊंगा तो ये लंबा क्लास चला जाएगा। ओके, इसलिए।
ओके सर।
ओके ओके, कविता कविता मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। Okay, so next we are discussing like inheritance in CSS. Okay, so what is inheritance? I already told you that it's in the biology, and that like intermediate. If you learn biology, if you are computer background, but like some interns are maybe learn that biology in that plus two, it's intermediate. Okay, in that we have a parent, like in the reproduction system we have parent and like child, whatever parent character are there, so it will be inheritance to that, it will be copy to the child. Inheritance means copy. Okay, so in that situation is the CSS, we have inheritance in CSS. Whatever property we are applying in that parent, it will be inheritance to the child when if you want to apply the in a same property in the child element. So we have like inheritance, inherit and initial and onset and revert option are there. Okay, what is that property are there? I will show you in that paint. Okay, wait, it's like inheritance, inherit, and we have initial, and we have onset. Next one we have revert. So what is that? Inheritance means it adapts the parent effect. Whatever like property you are like, if you give that content size, it's like 20 pixel, but you don't want to apply again that property, then you have to give that font size inheritance. Means whatever like property you are defining inside that particular parent, it will be copy that 10-20 pixel, it will be applied in the child. Okay, this is the inheritance, it adopts the parent effect. Okay, and what is initial? It defines the default style. Initial means if you give that font size initial, then it define according to the default. We have like every value we have like default, it's auto. Okay, so in that, if you not apply any of that particular size in that, if you write initial, then wait, then it defines the default style, whatever style in the default property. Okay, then we have unset, it remove the effect and adapts the default. If you don't want to like apply the parent properties, parent whatever parent property, parent value we are defining inside that parent property, you don't want to apply that in child, so you have to use onset. Okay, what is revert? It's what sorry guys, due to network issue, I will leave the meeting. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, so we are discussing initial. Okay, so in that initial inheritance and initial onset, we finish that one. So next we are discussing what is the border, and we have uh, padding and content. Whatever we have to discuss this one. Okay, in the inheritance in CSS, any doubt you can ask me, guys.
Sir, you can
हाँ बताओ.
recall revert because at that time you were not
Sorry.
audible. आप revert एक
Okay,
बार और
okay,
explain कर देंगे please.
okay, sure. So what is inheritance? I already told you that inheritance, what is inheritance, but we have like four properties in that. But basically revert are we are not using in that CSS because it's a it like in that we have cross browser compatibility issue. What is the cross browser compatibility issue? Means when you apply like revert property, it will be affected in some browser, not affected in some browser. That's why we are not using not refer that revert. Okay, so basically three in that property. Inheritance means it adopts the parent effect, whatever like value you have to written inside that property, it will be apply that particular value to the child element, and initial means it will be defined like default child. And in the onset, if you don't want to apply the particular parent value, you want to set a default value, then you have to use onset. Okay, every property, it means if you want in background color, if you in the parent element, if you written the background color is blue, but you want to the background color is the default, so you don't need to apply that on. You have to write in that parent sorry child element, it's the background color unset. Okay, if you want that particular color it will be inherited to the child, you have to use inherit. Okay, we have inheritance property, I will show you that how it's look. If I inherit and initial. Okay, so you have to apply both that. Okay, if you require onset, you have to use onset. Okay, whatever you require you have to use. Okay, I hope you understand these things. Okay, next we have to discuss like css box mode. So what is css box mode? So everything in css has a box around it. Means whatever you are designing in the particular, it have like content box, it having like a padding box, it having border box, we have margin box as well. Okay, so what is content box? Means whatever content you are writing inside that, it's a content box. It's padding box means it is the space around the content, and it is controlled using the padding. Means whatever the space between the border and content, it's a padding. Okay, and border means it's a margin, like content padding or content between that space, it will be border. I will show you that one, you have to understand better. Wait, so I will designing another file, then I will show you. Wait. Box model, box model dot html. In that we are writing in that box model. Okay, so I will designing a particular box. It's div. Okay, div inside that I will using the class. It's like container. Okay, what is container I will told you later. Okay, don't worry about that. Next, inside that I need another div. It's box. Class name is box, right? Class name is box. Okay. So inside the box, I need to add some content inside that. I will copy some content from the notepad, then I will show you. Okay. In that I have to copy some content. Okay. So I will open that one in the live server, then I will show you. Before that, I will design the CSS also. Wait. Yeah, it's opening, but I need to be edit my CSS. Okay. So let's see how I read that one. I require style inside, and in the style, it's body like tag will be its background color gray, use gray color. Okay, next we have box, we have to designing the box. Okay, inside I need background color, it's white. Okay, and like padding I need 30 pixel. Yeah. Padding 30 pixel, and we have border, it's like 12 pixel solid. uh, red. Okay, next we have margin 30 pixel. Okay, so we are applying padding, border, and margin. We have four like property in that CSS box model: content box, padding box, and border box, margin box. We are applying all this. This is the content box. Whatever writing inside that particular box is the content box, and we are applying a padding, border, and margin. Let's see. Have you observed that one? Like this space is that margin 30 pixel. If I change 50 pixel, let's see what happens. Have you observed that one? The like margin will be changed. Okay, and this is the padding. Sorry, this is the border. Like red color, it's a border. Okay, and like whatever space in between the content and like margin, sorry, border. This is the padding. Okay, I will show you in that inspect. I will go to inspect, then I will show you other option also. You have to understand better. Okay, have you observed that one? We have padding. Like this one is the content. Okay, this one is the padding, and it's the padding box. Okay, and this one is the border, and this one is the margin. Okay, we have. So, what is the property we are using for that CSS in the border, like padding and like uh, padding, margin, and border? Okay. So in the padding, for certain property we are like using padding. Okay. So I will written inside that it's padding. Okay, and we have padding left, padding right. Okay, padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. Okay, done. So these are the like property we have in the padding. So for certain property we are using padding, but if you need padding left, you have to apply padding left, padding right, padding top, and padding bottom. Okay, in the same also we have border. Okay, sorry, we have border. In the border we have border color. I will show you in that way. Yeah, in that we have border color, border color, border style. The certain properties border. You can apply 1 pixel solid. It's like any color. Okay, and if you divide like a color and like style, all these things, then you have to apply the like different property. Okay, the style. In the style we have solid, and we have dotted, dotted dash, and we have grove. You have to apply yourself in that your system, and you have to use in your any of the website and web page. Okay. Next we have border width. Okay. Next we have border radius, and we have border image. Okay, these are the property we are there in that border. Okay, what is the border color? Means if you want to specially add any color inside that, so you can use border color. If you want to use any specially like border style, then you have to apply solid, dotted, and dashed go. And border width means what is the width of that border? You have to apply this particularly. Okay, it's 1 pixel, 2 pixel, and 10 pixel, like 12 pixel. I will apply in that like 12 pixel. Okay, whatever you want. The border radius means you have to use. If I instead of using that border, if I apply its border color red, and we have border style dotted, dotted, B-O-T-T-E-D dotted. Okay, and we have border width. Okay, what is that? Border width means it's like 12 pixel. Okay, I will remove that property. It's a certain property. From that I need 12 pixel. Okay, let's see, it's changing anything? Not changing anything, but I will change that style. Okay, if you require any like border radius, then you have to apply border radius. It's 20 pixel, and whatever you want you have to PC, PT and PX. Okay, if I apply PC, then let's see. Okay, according to your requirement you have to use. Okay, border image means we have border image. If you want to apply that one, you can apply. What is the property? I will show you in that. You can try yourself. Okay, wait, I will show you the border property. We have border image, IMAG image outset, and we have image border repeat. I will not write any border image again. Okay, you have to understand these things. Repeat border image, repeat, REPEAT, repeat. Okay, we have slice, 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 and we have source, SOURC, source, and width. Okay. Border image outset, border repeat, border slice, border source, and width. But we are not using that one. You have to try yourself. Okay, I hope you understand these things. And next we have to go margin. Okay, what is the margin option is there? Same like the margin, we have margin left, margin right, margin top. Okay, we have padding and padding top. I already told you that one. And if you want to apply a particular like left side and right side the border, you need to apply border left style, border right color, border left width or bottom width or top width, whatever you want, you have to apply according to that. Okay. I hope you understand how we are applying border and padding and like any of that padding, border and margin. Okay, these are the property we have. I hope you understand. If you any doubt regarding like border box model, yeah, box model, you can ask me in chat box. So simply relation between the inheritance is that relation between the father and son. Yeah, Kavita ma'am is that asking sa simple relationship of inheritance is that relation between the father and son. Yeah, in the biology we have inheritance. It is, what is the definition of inheritance biology? Whatever like character in the father, it will be carried forward to the son. Okay, so it is the character inheritance. In that property like CSS, whatever value you are defining inside the parent element, if you want to without applying the particular value again, you want to inheritance the particular value, then you have to use like whatever property you have, and in that value you have to use inherit and initial and onset and reward, whatever option is there inside that. Okay, have you understand? Yeah, Kavita, are you there? Yes. Okay, I will share you the code. Okay, don't wait. Guys, any doubt you can ask me on that. ओके, सो अगर आप ऐसे ही जैसे कि अंतिमा मैम ने पूछे ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो हम इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, हम जो भी डाउट है आपका इशू आ रहा है, और मैं भी कुछ जैसे कि आप जो भी बताएंगे वो डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर मुझे नहीं आता तो भी मैं रिसर्च करके आप बताऊंगा. तो ऐसे ही आप सीखते हैं. ओके, तो जैसे कि इंटरेक्ट बनाना है सेशन को, आप खुद ही बैठ जाते हो और कुछ नहीं बोलते हो, अगर लाके लास्ट में प्रेजेंट दे देते हो. अगर आपको इंटर्नशिप भी करना था तो इंटर्नशिप कर लेते. प्रेजेंट जैसे कि ट्रेनिंग आप ज्वाइन करते हो, वहाँ घर पे रहते हो या नहीं रहते हो, आई डोंट नो. आई विल सेट दैट कोड, डोंट वरी. Okay, so always you have to like speak in that meeting. So you have all we have to interact uh, like as well to everyone particularly, and we have to clear all the doubts, whatever doubt you have. If I don't know about that also, I will research on that internet, and whatever like platform we are there, then I will told you that also. If I like I don't have knowledge about also, you know that better, then you have to talk in that meeting, and you have to like told your colleagues whatever knowledge you have to share the knowledge, because if you share the knowledge, then you have to it is a better like better things you have to share the email knowledge. Then whatever like when you have to share the knowledge to the any your colleagues, then if your colleagues you know anything that you don't know, then your colleagues will maybe said that thing you have to learn these things. This is the like cooperate, you have to cooperate in the colleagues, then you have to learn better way, and you have to do the more practice and learn things. Okay.
Wait present, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके ओके, प्रेजेंट तो आपको यहाँ पे देना है चैट बॉक्स में, मुझे नहीं देना है। मैं आपका प्रेजेंट नहीं लेता हूँ, एचआर मैम लेते हैं या एचआर सर लेते हैं। ओके सर, दिस साइट शुड यू रेफर थ्योरी पार्ट फॉर वेब डिजाइनिंग? Yeah, there is many website are there. I will not call any naming. We have if you want to learn like basically we have WSQL all thing. Okay, ask your colleagues, they will guide you better, because if I don't have knowledge, that is like 19 interns in that meeting. So if you collect from 19 from 19 interns, they will told you one by one, like one side. You have to go to the particular side, then you have to like learn better. गाइस आपने जो भी जैसे कि वेबसाइट यूज कर रहे हो ये कंटेंट लाइक थ्योरी पार्ट के लिए, वो शेयर कर दीजिए बानू मैम के लिए। यूट्यूब पे कोड विथ हरी, या कोड विथ हरी, इस पे पढ़ो लो वेब डिजाइन। या बानू, ये आपको दिया गया है। ओके, और जिसको भी पता है वो सेंड कर दो चैट बॉक्स में, हेल्प हो जाएगा। ओके, क्योंकि दूसरे जो भी हेल्प करते हो उसको भी हेल्प मिल जाएगा। ओके, उसको अगर आपको भी पता नहीं है तो यहाँ पे okay guys, thank you so much for your joining with me and listening with me, and if you any doubt you can ask me personally also. Okay, and whatever doubt with our interns in that meet, and we have to discuss later. Okay, personally I will discuss with you. Okay, thank you so much guys, have a good day, bye.
सर वेट,
Yeah.
प्लीज वेट सर, मेरा डाउट आप कब क्लियर करेंगे? नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में, अभी लास्ट में?
नहीं अभी मैं 15 मिनट या 30 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लेता हूँ, आपके बाद बताऊंगा। ओके, अभी क्लास खत्म होने के बाद 30 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद बताऊंगा। ओके, 7:30 और 8।
ओके सर,
थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे वो स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड कर देना थोड़ा। ओके
ओके सर,
नहीं तो लिंक भी सेंड कर दो, देख लो। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय।
सर अरे चले गए।